Good morning, students. We shall study today oxidant electronic concept. An oxidant is a substance which gains one or more electrons. For example, this is ferric ion. It is an oxidant. It has gained one electron to form ferrous. So there is a gain of one electron. Hence, Fe3 plus is an oxidant. Similarly, Pb plus that plus 4 has gained 2 electrons. It means Pb plus 4 is an oxidant and it is reduced to Pb plus 2. It is again a gain of 2 electrons. Also, an oxidant is a substance whose positive charge decreases. There is a stannic Sn4 plus. It is an oxidant. It has gained 2 electrons to form Sn plus 2 stannous. Their positive charge of 10 has decreased from 4 to 2. Similarly, an oxidant is a substance whose negative charge increases. Here, this is a permanganate ion. It is an oxidant. It has gained 1 electron and we get manganate ion. We see that here the negative charge has increased from 1 to 2. Similarly, take the case of ferricyanide. It is an oxidant. It has gained 1 electron and you will get ferrocyanide. Here negative charge increases from 3 to 4. Therefore, oxidant can be explained by the gain of electrons. Thanks for watching.